Hello students. For example number 3, we're going to be right on the heels of example number 2, which if you remember, we've solved to look something like this. If you don't remember, simply go here to find example number 2. So what I'm going to do then is get rid of this, or clean it up a little bit, and we'll get to example number 3 momentarily. And here we are. So from example number 2, we found that the height of water was 25.7 meters. You were also given that the diameter of this settling tank was 100 feet. You're now being asked to calculate what the overall dimensions of the settling tank are. Now don't forget, this is not a trick question. You actually don't know what the overall dimensions of this tank are completely yet. Fine, you have the diameter, but you don't have what the height is of the tank. And that's because what you calculated from example 2 was the height of water, not the height of the tank. Don't forget, the height of the tank is equal to the height of water plus the freeboard. Now, I'm going to choose to solve all of this in metric units. That means that I have to do some conversion because I have the height of water in metric units, but not the diameter of the tank. So let's get to it. First, I'm going to start with the diameter. The diameter is 100 feet, but I have to convert this to meters, so I employ my conversion of feet to meters. Voila. Okay. Now, I'm sure that you can use your mobile technology to compute or come up with what this conversion is. If you do it often enough like I have, you can come up with it right away. Next, let's move on to calculating what the height of the tank is. The height of the tank is equal to the side water depth plus the freeboard. Okay, do you remember what the freeboard is? Not only what the value of it is, but what the purpose of it is? Go look it up. Okay, so the side water depth is actually that value there, right? It's the height of the water. And do you remember what the value of the freeboard was in metric? Voila. There we go. Now I have the height of the tank. The only thing that I'm left with is to make the final answer obvious and unmistakable. And I do so with a concluding statement. Now, I can also write this out explicitly by saying, therefore, the diameter of the tank is 30.5 meters, and the overall height of the tank is 26.15 or 26.2 meters. I'm making your life a little bit easier by simply using the symbols for diameter and height.